Try.
My name's Liam. I'm going to jump to the middle. Let's hope I make it.
If you want to watch the whole video, you will have to wait till the end of this video. But in the meantime, we're going to solve this very difficult O-level math HCF question. The question says the highest common factor of 168 and n is 42. Given that 200 is less than n less than 300, find the two possible values of n. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down 168 and 42 into its prime factors. Now that I have written down the prime factors, what you need to understand here is this. So basically when we say that 42 is a factor of n, this means that n is basically a multiple of 42. So for example, 168 over here, right? This is basically 42 times 4. So what we need to do here is we need to write the multiples of 42 that lie between 200 and 300. So now let's write them down. Alright, so now let's break these down further into their prime factors. So 210 is going to be 2 times 3 times 7, which is 42, times 5. So when you're calculating HCF using prime factors, what you have to do here is this. So when you're taking each factor that is common, you have to take the lowest power. So in this case, it is going to be 2 times 3 times 7 because 2, 3 and 7 are common, and for 2 we take the lowest value. Next we have 252. So this is going to be 2 times 3 times 7, and then we're going to break down 6 into 2 and 3. So what happens over here is this, that instead of writing 2, I'm going to write 2 square over here. So now we see that because of 2 cube, right, the 2 cube is essentially bigger. However, the smallest value has changed. So that is going to be 2 square times 3 times 7. This becomes 84. However, we know that in the question it says that the HCF is 42. Hence, this cannot be the answer. Alright, so next if you check 294, you will see that it also has the same common factors because 7 is basically a prime number itself and cannot be broken down further. Therefore, the HCF remains the same, and this is how you solve this question.